Well, after about 9 years, these old Panasonic home phones that we've been using for a long time, we've replaced them. Only 2 handsets with this. Let me show you what we replaced them with. Here's our new set. They're at&t. This big base here is in the family room. That's where that larger set was. We only had 2 handsets. Now we have 5. We're only using 4 of them, though, because we only have 4 chargers. Show you a cool feature here. You press this side button, push to talk. Also, you'll notice here, press that. Look at all, we have new locations for all of these. So I'm going to call the master bedroom. Hit accept. Watch this. Hello up there.
May I help you?
Say subscribe to the elevator world.
Yo, subscribe yo ass to the elevator world.
I'm gonna have to edit that now, thank you. Alright, well.
Subscribe to the elevator world, bye.
Well, anyways, there you go. That's a demo of that. But yeah, what's nice about this one, actually, is that it has call recognition. So when that one rang, it would just go bring, bring, and you'd actually have to walk over to see who's calling. This one has call recognition. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm actually going to call this. I'm going to show you I'll show you a cool feature about this. I'm going to call here using my cell phone, call home, and it's got call recognition, you'll notice. So we'll call home.
Call from at&t.
So it says in use. I can't zoom in
Call
because
from at&t.
you'll see my phone number. But there you go. We'll end it. So yeah, in conclusion with that, not only do we have this handset, we also have, now this is new, we now have one in the kitchen. We didn't have that before. We also have one down here in the basement, which we didn't have. This is going to be really handy. Right here, don't show the messy basement. There we go. Got one in the basement. We even have one. We've got 2 of them upstairs. I'll show you those. If I can close the door without hitting myself with it. We now have 2 upstairs. So we now have one in my bedroom, which sits over here. I turned the ringer off, though. And then we have... Hi. This one in the master bedroom was here before, actually. But we put one up here again. Of course, we're staying with the vintage General Electric wall phone from Service Merchandise. This is actually handy to have, because if the power goes out, this will still work. Cordless phones need electricity.